How to recover the deleted files on Dropbox. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover the deleted files on Dropbox. So to do that you need to follow the following steps here. So make sure that you have watched this video till the very end. What steps that you should follow is when you accidentally delete an important file on Dropbox, you might be very much in tension and thinking how you can solve this problem. So don't worry, you can solve this problem simply by going on the Dropbox, saves all your lost files for 30 days. If you have deleted the file simply, then you can just go on the trash pane of your Dropbox and then you can recover it because it won't be deleted for 30 days or longer for the user. So no other data recovery tools or file recovery software is required for that. What you need to do is simply go on the trash option and then restore all the deleted files yourself from the dropbox.com. Data that is accidentally deleted from remote storage devices like USB flash drives, memory cards, and external hard, difficult to retrieve, can also be recovered by that if it has been only 30 days on your Dropbox. So that's how you can recover your files. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.